Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel and my kitchen. Today, we're going to prepare a breakfast recipe together. I'm adding about half a tea glass of cooking oil to my pan. And I'm adding a piece of butter. And I've chopped the onions thinly. I'm adding 2 onions. And I'm sautéing the onions until they turn nicely pink. I'm adding salt. Salt, paprika, red pepper, black pepper. The onions have started to turn nicely pink. I'm adding 1 bowl of strained yogurt. You can use strained yogurt. Now, let's beautifully combine our onions and yogurt. Whether for breakfast or with other dishes, it's a delicious recipe. I highly recommend you try it. It's enough to keep it on the heat with the onions for about a minute. We put it on the stove. I'm turning off the heat and sprinkling red pepper flakes on top.